All become ill. Many times these diseases are removed in a few days, while there are others that last for months or even years. Some diseases are more severe like cancer or diabetes than others like flu or allergies. In addition, there are some more common than others that affect people depending on the characteristic of each. They are caused by different reasons with different effects and some of them with very few solutions. Causes of disease can be many, but generally the most common are the person's lifestyle, the hygiene of the person, and the environment in which it is maintained, and also the lack of information about diseases. Each person has a different lifestyle. There are some who care about maintaining a good health by taking vitamins, exercising, and visiting the doctor frequently, while there are others that simply don't care about it. A person who has poor body hygiene or is keeping a dirty environment will almost always be affected by viruses that they attract. The lack of information leads people to believe that they will be never infected with diseases just because they don't know anything about it. Every cause has a consequence, and there is not an exception. Disease always have negative effects on people, some more severe than others. Death is the most serious effect of disease, often because the disease was discovered too late or not treated properly. Another effect will be infections in the body. These can start affecting a single organ and then transmit it to the rest of the body. Generally, one example of this is cancer, that most of the time it starts in one organ and then if it's not treated properly, it expands of the rest of the body and then it causes death also. Amputations are another very negative effect that, in addition to losing a part of your body, affects us also mentally. The most effective way to solve this disease is to prevent each one. One way to prevent disease is to read and know a little about the most common diseases so you know what to do to avoid occurring them. Another way is to have regular medical checks to detect any anomalies in time. Lastly, it's never better to get vaccinated and take vitamins so our immune system works properly and we don't get sick so often. In conclusion, there are many diseases that can affect us in a serious way. These act differently depending on the body of the people or the medical story of the family. They are caused by different factors. Generally, their effects are negative and rarely have a solution, especially when the disease is severe, was lately detected, or don't have the required attention. The best cure for health diseases is preventing them, as there will never be a total way to eradicate them.